Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi. I'm currently pursuing BTech in Computer Engineering from NIT Kurukshetra. This video is a part of the assignments of Practical Lab of Big Data Analytics, and the problem statement for today's video is building a MapReduce program for the word count example. So first of all, we will open the command prompt in the administrative mode and issue a command which is start all.cmd to run all the daemons of Hadoop. By issuing this command, the 4 daemons of Hadoop, which is yarn, resource manager, node manager, data node and name node, that will be started. After this, we will create an input directory in the Hadoop distributed file system, which is Hadoop HDFS, so that we can upload the input file into that directory. So this is the command for making an input directory in the Hadoop distributed file system. After this, we will write another command to upload our input file to this directory created. So now the file has been uploaded into the directory. Let's verify whether the file gets uploaded or not with the help of another command. So yeah, so here we can say that this word count data.txt file has been uploaded. Let me show you the content of this file also. This is the content of the file. HDFS is a storage unit of Hadoop. MapReduce is a processing tool of Hadoop on which the MapReduce has to be performed. Now for performing the MapReduce on this input file, we need a jar for that. So you can use any Java ID for this purpose for making a jar. So I am using the Eclipse ID. So first of all, we will create a new Java project for it. Let's name it as MapReduce word count. Now in this new project, we will create a new package. Now we have to upload or add some external libraries to our package. So we will go to build path and then we will click on this configure build path and we add the external jars. So here basically we have to add the external jars of Hadoop. So we will go to the share Hadoop and we will add the jars in this. Like we have to add the client jars. Then we have to add the jars of common. We have to add the common library jars. Then we need to add the HDFS jars. Then MapReduce jars. And at last the yarn jar. So all these jars has to be added to this project. So as now you can see that all the necessary jars have been added. So we'll just click on this apply and close. So we will see that all these jars have been added to our project. Now we will create a Java class where we have to write the program which will do the MapReduce task. So we'll create a class here. Now for writing basically any program for the MapReduce, you basically have to provide the three classes: mapper class, reducer class, and the driver class. So you can find the code for this MapReduce word count anywhere from the internet. I have copied the code from one of those links. So I'll copy that code into this Eclipse IDE. So yeah, now we will save this. After this, we will make the jar of our project. So we'll click on right click on the project, click on export. We need to make a jar of the file. Click on next. Now you can here browse the location where you need to store this jar. I want to name this jar as word count MapReduce. So finish. So now the jar has been created. So yeah, here is the jar that we have just created, word count MapReduce. Now as the jar has been created, now we will run this jar on the input file that we have uploaded. You need to provide the location of your jar file. Then you need to provide the main class name. Then the input file. And the output directory name. Now we'll run this command. So I have started the execution of this jar on the input file. So here you can see that the execution is started here. So here the execution gets completed. You can see the output here even. So here you can see that the map and reduce both started from the 0%. First the map gets completed and then the reduce gets completed. Now we will check what is the output that the MapReduce has given us. So we'll check that output. So yes, as you can see here, this is the word, and this is the count corresponding to that word. So this is all for this program. Thank you.